Most people assume getting rich is incredibly loud, a sudden windfall of flashy cars and designer clothes splashed across social media. But the actual process of accumulating capital is usually silent. It's the anticlimactic feeling of paying off a credit card or moving money into a savings account month after month. This creates a constant, exhausting internal tension. You're making the smart choices and skipping the impulse buys, but your daily life doesn't feel any more glamorous. That's because wealth isn't a single jackpot moment. It is a psychological evolution that happens in stages. You might be moving through these unseen milestones right now, making progress that your bank balance hasn't fully reflected yet. People who build the most significant wealth are often the ones who notice it the least, because real growth happens in a vacuum of noise. This evolution begins with a mathematical shift, the moment you redefine what enough looks like for your baseline lifestyle. This chart illustrates a concept called lifestyle inflation immunity. As your income steps upward through raises or promotions, your baseline expenses remain flat. The space between what you earn and what you spend is the only place where wealth can actually grow. Mastering this gap gives you the leverage to say no. You stop making financial decisions based on what you can afford monthly and start making them based on what aligns with your 10-year goals. Holding on to this margin transforms financial stress into a baseline of peace. Once the daily math is stabilized, you move into macro strategy. You stop worrying about the next few days and start thinking in decades. Most people are trapped in the jagged pursuit of quick wins, day trading or chasing the next hot trend. Strategic wealth relies on the boring, exponential curve of automated compounding. This discipline builds what we call a quiet buffer. It's an invisible cushion of cash that ensures an unexpected medical bill or a car repair never escalates into a crisis. You've mastered this stage when you have 3 to 6 months of expenses sitting in a liquid account that you never have to touch. That money isn't there to buy luxury. It buys the ability to pivot your career or leave a toxic situation without a second thought. The third stage is a psychological tipping point. You reach a state of total indifference toward how other people spend their money. You begin to see through the status symbols. That luxury truck isn't a sign of wealth. It's a depreciating asset anchored by high-interest debt. Immunity to peer pressure frees up the mental energy most people waste on comparison. Because your savings and investments are now automated, money stops being a recurring topic in your head. When your finances fade into the background noise of your life, the internal evolution is complete. The final stage of this growth is a shift in the primary currency you value. You stop trying to stack more dollars and start trying to reclaim more hours. You use your capital to buy back your schedule. You pay for convenience, not for the status of it, but for the white space it creates on your calendar. This control over your time fosters a sense of agency. When you prove to yourself that you can dictate your daily schedule, you naturally begin to take full ownership of your broader financial reality. Instead of using rising rent or a sluggish economy as a reason to stall, you treat these as fixed constraints to solve for. You optimize your housing or transportation costs because you value your progress more than your excuses. This level of ownership puts you in the driver's seat. You are no longer waiting for the economy to improve. You are working the plan you've already built. Cultivating these habits builds a foundation that withstands external shocks. This wealth is recession-proof. It acts like an underground root system that thickens and spreads even when the surface environment is harsh. If your financial life feels boring and uneventful, take it as a sign of success. Real wealth is quiet, and that is exactly how it should be.